Hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kolink satellite Micro-ATX case, computer case. Right, so I've never ever built in one of these type cases before. Seems quite interesting. As I say, this is the front, so we have no drive bays whatsoever. If you're thinking about plugging in a CD, DVD or Blu-ray writer or ROM, it has to be an external one, because there's no drive bays in this whatsoever, so you can't put anything really internal in if you're going to use it. Only if it's like a hard drive or something like that, of course. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. So this is the front, so let's take a look at the side. So that's one on the side. Obviously there's no just side vents, no side fans can be mounted. The back, so it's got a 120mm fan inside. Looks like we've got some, if you're thinking of water cooling, they're metal, so you have to stamp them out. Two extension brackets here, and a power cable. Obviously there you have to mount the power supply inside the thing, so there's another cable plugs into the power supply, and it comes out of that into your mains. So that's see with your I/O thing when your motherboard goes in. The other side. So let's so that's the front. Let's have a look at the top. So the top here you get two activity lights. That's obviously your power LED, hard drive activity LED. You get two USB 3.0 ports. Obviously your microphone, your headphones, reset switch, and obviously your power button. So this is what you get on top. Now let's have a look on the top. So once you get another vent. So plenty of cooling going on here in this little case. So now let's have a look inside. Before I do, you get four thumb screws. So one's here, a bit tight. Oh. So you get one here, one at the top, two at the top rather, and one on the side. So there's four screws to take out. Let's take them out. So once you've taken them out, the whole thing will slide back, and you can just take it off like that. So now we can take a look inside. Let's take a look at the other side first. So here we go. So right here you get so you no need to mount standoffs. Right, let's take this out because this comes with additional screws and all that. So you get four screws to mount your motherboard. Well, four. As I said, there's no standoffs. They're already, looks like they're part of the case. So that's where you mount your motherboard. So you can have up to micro ATX and mini ITX. So I was talking about your power. So that, as I said, that plugs, runs straight there. So your right there, this is where you put your power supply unit. It mounts sidewards, as you can see, so it can take the full size power supply units, or the regular size ones. So on the case itself, on the fan itself, it's either Molex powered or a free pin. So that can connect straight to your motherboard, which is good because that's the way I prefer it. So here you have your USB header. Or is that your USB header? What's the difference? No. Hey, what is that? I ain't got a clue what that. Oh, sorry, that's your audio header. Sorry, that's your audio header. That's your USB header, and here is your USB 3 header, and here we have our front panel, So yeah, so let's have a look at the bottom of the case. So it's on these far back, you can see it's on feet, rubber feet here. Really ain't going nowhere, so that will, yeah, it's quite grippy, so that's good. So I'm only taking this is where you mount your hard drives, on the bottom I'm taking it. I can't see where else you would mount your, what's around here, I don't know what, so this might be all mounting stuff. I don't know where you would mount your hard drives, maybe up here maybe, we've got to read the instructions. So no. But as I said, it does come with an additional bag, so let's open that up. Right, here's the instructions. It tells you what it comes, screws, PCI device installation. So it looks like these can come out. These actually, you can unscrew these and they come out, and the same with that side. So perhaps it's an easy way of mounting them, I guess. I don't know. I won't know until I actually install them. So it gives you these on the instructions, so how to mount the power supply, fan installation. Oh, here we go, hard drive installation of PCI. I was looking at PCI cards, that's pretty easy, because that goes to the motherboard. HDD bracket. Oh, it tells you how to do it all here, that's good. And obviously you can install smaller hard drives like SSDs. Yes, it tells you how to do it. Oh, that's good then. Oh, okay, so I can mount a hard drive one side and an SSD on the other one. That on the other side, that's good, because that's what's going on in it. That's all good. Yeah, so yeah, it mounts at the bottom here. So I don't know what the other side's for. Perhaps you can mount more. I don't know, but we'll soon see. But it's a nice little case, pretty sturdy. No, doesn't feel cheap or anything. It only costs £31, so that's not bad. It does feel quite solid, I will say that. So I don't know if you can take the front panel off, but I don't think, why would you need to take the front off? You can take it off. There is a, you can, because it's just got those mount plates, and I think you probably can maybe install the front fan. I don't know, there's no mounting brackets on it, so I doubt if you can. This is on the other side, but I don't know. We'll soon see. Just pause. Yep, you can take the front panel off. It's quite easy. Just undo these two clips, and it comes off quite nicely. Don't look like there's any mounting screws to mount a front fan. I don't think you can. So there you go. Just all your other bits and pieces up there. What connects to the USB and all that. To tell you what comes in the bag. So we have some, looks like rubber grommets, a load of different screws, all types of screws, motherboard screws, hard drive screws, SSD screws, whatever screws you need comes with. Also comes with a PC speaker, which is pretty unusual for a PC case. Mind you, I did have another PC case that did come with a PC speaker, but unfortunately the motherboard I got don't take PC speakers. And it comes with loads of, well, not loads, about 5 cable ties. Plus your instruction manual shows where things go. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with this case. I cannot wait to start building. Still waiting for the power supply to come yet. And when that comes, I can start building it. Yeah, so looking forward to this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.